and welcome to On the Desk. Today we're going to take a look at not a new product, a product we've had for a while, but people have been asking us to list on the site. It is the fire extinguisher mounting kit for dog guards. We used these fire extinguisher kits in all of the track trucks. We had too many requests, so we brought in another batch of the mounts. We're going to take a quick look at how they go together, and it's always good to have a fire extinguisher. At the end of the day, we're driving Land Rovers. So you get a quick fist here, get your fire extinguisher tray, quick fist mounts like so, little nut deal here, and this is the retaining bar. So you put it kind of anywhere you want on the inside as long as you've got the mesh style dog guard. And just tighten that down like so. And then another bolt would come down here. Fire extinguisher sits happy right inside like so. Tighten it down. Boom. That's it. Quick look at the dog guard fire extinguisher mount. I've been told it's a must-have, so we've brought them out and they're listed on the site right now. Got any questions? Hit me up. You want to see a product? Hit me up. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next one.